On the 23rd of October 2024, representatives of Ka Kur Syiem voiced their support for the ministers of the Syiem of Hima Mylliem who are opposing what they describe as the dominating behavior of the current Syiem or chieftain, Ainam Manik Syiem, particularly concerning decisions on provincial matters. Speaking to the media, clan representative Ainam Syiem, accompanied by elders, stated that the Ka Kur Syiem from Mylliem has had no knowledge of the election in which Ainam Manik Syiem was chosen as the chieftain or Syiem of Hima Mylliem. He further added that neither the Khadc's Autonomous District Council or the Hima Mylliem office had informed them about the election of a full-fledged Syiem or chieftain. Additionally, Ainam Syiem highlighted the sale of clan forest at Umjapung, calling it a violation of clan rights and urging the Khadc to address the issue.
Ka Kur Syiem na Ka Mylliem idan da kajing sokia ya kasincha khada ha Hima Mylliem kubani yo ibat snow limba ki kuba ba social media ya ki kendram ha kasincha khada dina kalian jo Ka Mylliem ni la penshai ha kubor ha aku artrik usau arja usau halo ka jingle dan bo jung ni Syiem Ainam Manik Syiem bat katu kan ingot ki menteri claim da khencho ya ka rule ka an joka Hima Mylliem khamtam ka darbar pulun joka Hima te nakalian jungi ni ai ka jingkarshan ka ba purai ki menteri ki ba laimi shakhman ban kren ya jingshisha halor jingle junu Syiem ba menta te naka Kur Syiem na Ka Mylliem ni dap jing snok ya halor ka jingwan long Syiem ba pura jong u Ainam Manik Syiem nomor anong ipi ba jinglong Syiem ka Hima Mylliem kami banlong tan Ka laikor Ka maulai ba Ka Mylliem henry halor kani ka jingjit Syiem ba pura ka Mylliem kamdon kan kanu jingtip halor ni ka election jingjit Syiem bat kam simdan kanu notice lani ka jing ai jingtip Ka Kur Syiem na ka office jongka Khadc lani na kalian ka office Syiem halor kani ka jingjit Syiem kumta ni na kalian Ka Kur Syiem na Mylliem ikintu ya ka Khadc bagan simkhia halor ni ka kam hakabai dei bat ka jingle don bor ladang ipai haki bubun ba hinrai ya ka ni jing aiwa ya ka 1000 square feet halau Syiem umjapung kadai ka baklemrai ka dar pulun